So the only thing you're really going to need is just a Phillips screwdriver, and then also a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is pop open the cup holder. You'll have a Phillips screw here, and then also on the other side of that you'll have another one. So what we're going to do is take that off, take both of them off on each side. And they don't come out, you can just kind of leave them in. Okay, now once you get that out, I don't know if you can see this, but underneath it has a little, you might have to go under here. It's got a little tab. You just have to lift it to go over your radio bezel. Here, you should be able to see that better. It has that tab and it just has to go up and over your radio bezel. So you set that aside, and the next thing you're going to do is just gently pull on your vents, and you have a clip somewhere in here. So this one takes a little bit more pressure, or a lot of pressure. There we go. So there's that clip. So pull that out. Your clip to your hazard light, it just has a little button. Push on that, depress it, and then pull it out. The next thing we're going to do is there's a little tab right here. This is where your flathead's going to come in. This one's kind of a pain in the butt, so just press on that, and then also kind of pull on it at the same time. Or push, my bad, push. And it'll fly out, apparently. So then, all you gotta do is take your new one, push it, and it clips in. And then you just go back together with it. So we're gonna clip our connector back in. Push that one hard clip in first. And that pops in just like that. And you're gonna take your cup holder and make sure you go up and over the radio bezel going back in as well. Screw popped out. But that's okay. And screw both of them back in. And that's it.